I compared Express and NestJS, and honestly, the right choice comes down to how structured you want your backend to be. Express is the classic, lightweight, minimal, and extremely flexible. You can build anything with it, but you're responsible for deciding the project structure, middleware, and architecture. That freedom is great for small apps or developers who prefer full control, but it can become messy fast if the project grows and you don't enforce your own patterns. NestJS takes the opposite approach. It's opinionated, organized, and built around TypeScript from the start. It uses decorators, modules, controllers, and services, giving you a clean and scalable architecture right out of the box. If you've ever worked with Angular, Nest will feel familiar. It also includes built-in support for dependency injection, authentication patterns, WebSockets, and more. The downside is the learning curve. It's heavier and requires more setup than Express. Performance-wise, both are solid since Nest actually runs on top of Express, or Fastify if you choose. So the real difference is structure versus freedom. If you want fast, simple development, or are building a small project, Express is still great. If you want enterprise-level organization and long-term maintainability, NestJS is the better choice.